Hello everyone, I'm Penka Terziyska with MikroMasch. In this screencast I will present our XNC12 AFM probes intended for contact mode measurements on biological and other soft matter specimens. An AFM image of human erythrocytes performed with the long cantilever of the XNC12 in contact mode is shown on the right. This AFM probe features two triangular silicon nitride cantilevers of different length on the one side of the holder chip. The holder chip of the XNC12 probes is made of glass and the cantilevers with the tips are made of silicon nitride. The holder chip has industry standard dimensions that fit all well-known commercial AFMs. The short cantilever is 100 microns long and combines a nominal resonance frequency of 67 kHz with a force constant of 0.32 newtons per meter. The long cantilever is 200 microns long and is much softer than the short cantilever with force constant of 0.08 newtons per meter. Its nominal resonance frequency is 17 kHz. The probe is available either with reflective gold coating on the detector side of the cantilever or with overall gold coating. The XNC12 probe tip has a square pyramidal shape. The typical radius is 10 nanometers for the uncoated tip and 30 nanometers for the gold-coated tip. The advantages of the silicon nitride probes over the standard silicon ones include softer cantilevers with lower cantilever thickness variation, as well as higher tip hardness and hydrophobicity. Thank you for your interest in our products. If you need more information, please visit spmtips.com or contact us at info@mikromasch.com. Take care.